morning everyone. Welcome to Markets Daily by Bajaj Broking. Let's break down the latest news for today. India's Swan Energy to divest LNG terminal to Turkey's Botas for $399 million. In a significant move, Swan Energy has agreed to sell its liquefied natural gas LNG terminal to Turkey's Botas for $399 million. This divestment is part of Swan Energy's broader strategy to streamline its operations and focus on other core business areas. OLA Electric launches electric motorcycles and announces integration of its OLA cells in EVs by Q1 FY26. OLA Electric has expanded its product line by launching electric motorcycles. The company also announced plans to integrate its own battery cells into its EVs by first quarter of FY26, marking a significant step towards self-reliance in the electric vehicle market. Karnataka government suspends all transactions with SBI and PNB amid allegations of fund misuse. The Karnataka government has taken a stern stance by suspending all financial transactions with State Bank of India and Punjab National Bank following allegations of fund misuse. This move is expected to have substantial implications for the banking and financial sectors. FII and DII data. Foreign institutional investors FIIs net sold 2,595.27 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors DIIs net bought 2,236.21 crore rupees in equities. Now turning our focus to the Indian markets, GIFT Nifty suggests a gap-up opening for the Indian market amid firm global cues. Nifty Spot post a strong opening is likely to trade with positive bias in the range of 24,180 to 24,480. Let's look at the market in the previous session. Benchmark indices traded in a tight range, oscillating between positive and negative territory and closed on a flat note on Wednesday. Nifty closed the session marginally higher by 4 points at 24,143 levels. Bank Nifty also traded in a narrow range and closed the session marginally lower by 0.2% at 49,727 levels. Broader market relatively outperformed as the Nifty Midcap and Nifty Small Cap closed the session lower by 0.54% and 0.58% respectively. Here's the Nifty outlook. The index is expected to retest its 20-day EMA and the upper band of the recent consolidation placed around 24,400. A breakout and a close above the same will signal a reversal of the corrective trend of the last 2 weeks and will open upside towards 24,700 to 24,800 levels in the coming week, being the gap down area of last Monday. Failure to do so will signal an extension of consolidation in the range of 24,400 to 23,900. The index has support placed at 23,900 to 24,000 levels, being the confluence of the last week's low and the 50-day EMA. Talking about intraday levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. Nifty's intraday resistance is situated at 24,370, followed by 24,490 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 24,130, followed by 24,050. Bank Nifty's intraday resistance is positioned at 50,310, followed by 50,630, while downside support is found at 49,650, followed by 49,410. Fin Nifty's intraday resistance is positioned at 22,790, followed by 22,950, while downside support is found at 22,520, followed by 22,410. The S&P 500 extended its winning streak to 6 days, driven by strong labor market and retail sales data that eased concerns about an economic downturn. Wall Street indexes surged, with the S&P 500 rising 1.6% and the Nasdaq Composite jumping 2.3%. Softer inflation readings and expectations of a potential rate cut in September also contributed to the positive market sentiment. Fed Chair Jerome Powell is anticipated to provide more guidance on interest rates at the upcoming Jackson Hole Symposium. Let's delve into the developments in the Asian markets. Asia Pacific markets rose on Friday and are set to round off the week higher, tracking gains on Wall Street overnight after fresh economic data eased recessionary fears in the US. Traders in Asia will keep an eye on the exports data from Singapore. Taiwan and Hong Kong's second quarter GDP data will be out after market hours. Japan's Nikkei 225 jumped 2.26% on open, leading gains in Asia, and the broad-based topics was 2.08% higher. South Korea's Kospi returned from a public holiday to trade 2% higher, while the small cap Kosdaq climbed 1.53%. Taking a closer look at the derivative data, let's analyze the insights into Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty options for today's trading session. For Nifty, the highest put OI is positioned at 23,200 followed by 24,000 level, whereas the highest call OI is positioned at the 25,000 followed by 24,500 level. A strong call and put OI addition was seen at 24,200, indicating a straddle formation. A move above 24,200 can take the index higher up to 24,500 levels, whereas if it stays below 24,200, it can march towards 24,000 levels. According to option chain analysis, immediate support would be at 24,000, while resistance would be 24,500. The Nifty put-call ratio increased by 0.36 and is now positioned at 1.14. For Bank Nifty, the highest put OI concentration stands at 50,000 level, whereas the highest call OI concentration is at 50,500 level. Immediate put OI concentration is seen at 49,500 level and call OI concentration is seen at 50,000. We have seen good put OI addition in strikes between 49,500 and 50,000. Whereas good call OI addition was seen at 49,800 and 50,000 levels. Bank Nifty is expected to trade between 49,500 and 50,000 for the coming sessions. A move above 50,000 can trigger further upside up to 50,500 level. According to the option chain analysis, immediate support is at 49,500 and important resistance is 50,000. The Bank Nifty put-call ratio decreased by 0.15 and is now positioned at 0.75. And that's all for today. To delve deeper into today's market insights and analysis, check out the caption below. See you tomorrow for more updates. Investments in the security markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents before investing.